Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to answer the question, did YouTube pay you after your channel was demonetized? I mean, the money you earned that month your channel was demonetized, will YouTube pay you that money? Well, my channel was demonetized on February 21, 2022. Okay, yeah, your channel is no longer eligible, but my channel was monetized again after 1 month. And if you want to watch what I did step by step, what I did to get my channel monetized again, I did a video about that, so you can kindly watch the video, check my videos. Now, in order for me to answer this question, so many people want to know if YouTube will actually pay you the money you earned. This is my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube studio. Okay, now let me go down and show you revenue. Let's click on revenue, let's see, and then let's go down. You can see this is February. I actually earned $623.93 the month my channel was demonetized. But the truth is this, I would have earned over $1,000. This is just a new YouTube channel. I would have earned over $1,000 assume my channel was not demonetized. But the question now is, did YouTube pay me this money? Because this is the particular month my channel was demonetized. This is March. YouTube have monetized my channel again 2 days ago. Though my RPM is a kind of very low after my channel has been monetized. You can see 0.001. I was having an RPM of $4.30. I know this will be fixed. Now, in order for me to answer this question, did YouTube pay me this money after my channel was demonetized, I will take you to my AdSense payment page to show you proof of this question, to show you proof. I don't want you to say it. Now let's go to my AdSense payment page. This is my AdSense payment page, and actually screenshot this particular part for security reasons. Now, if you watch here, you see that this is January. I earned $187. YouTube actually paid me this money in February 21. You can see here your last payment was issued on February 21 for $157. This is the month of February. My channel was demonetized and I earned $623. YouTube did not pay me a dime. Okay, YouTube did not pay me any money. You can actually see February is $0. Normally the month of February should have been paid by March. Today is March 27th. So I should have assumed YouTube wanted to pay me. I would have received the money on March 21st to 25th. That simply means YouTube did not pay me a dime. But what I don't know for now is if this money that I earned will be transferred, or if this particular money from February will be transferred to April. Because once your channel is demonetized, you are no longer member of YouTube Partner Program. So YouTube will not send your payments to your AdSense account. And once money is sent to your AdSense account, you will actually receive your payments. Okay. Now, in this video, I will talk that, like I said, YouTube did not pay me the month of February, but by April 21 to 25, if YouTube later send this money to my AdSense account, since my channel has been monetized again, if they want to send the payment for March, you want to send my March earning, I want to check if YouTube will actually send my March and my February earning to my AdSense account. And if that happens, I will do another video showing you that yes, YouTube have actually sent my February money to my AdSense account. And if YouTube did not send my payment to my AdSense account, that simply means I will not be doing any video for that. Just know that YouTube did not pay me. The money is gone. That might be the consequences of getting your channel demonetized. But I hope that this money will be sent to my AdSense account this month. That means I'll be receiving double money. But for that, I don't really know. Okay, so I will have to wait till April 15th when they will send payment my March earning toward my AdSense account. So please, if this video actually helped you, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. If you have any question to ask me, kindly drop your question in the comment section below. I will personally to reply to your question. And please kindly note, if your channel has been demonetized, watch the video I did about how to get your channel back again within 1 month, because some people, it took them several months before they were able to get a channel back, and some people were not able to get it back again. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching.